Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Kritika coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, February 12th, 2020. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 38 degrees with afternoon snow. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's announcements are patrols. We want to celebrate you. Come down to the gym at 2 p.m. for your celebration. There will be a make and take art project available in the art room during conferences this Thursday. Come down with your family before 6 o'clock. There are no clubs meeting today. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are Puzzle Club will meet at 8 a.m. in room 101.
Wait.
Now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Happy Wednesday. I have, drum roll, some very exciting guests today who are going to share with you an update on our school service project. Hi girls, welcome.
First of all, from me, Ella, and the Penguins, thank you for your participation in the fundraiser, Pennies for Penguins. We are amazed at the generosity of the students and teachers in our school for such an important cause.
We are happy to report that your donations have helped us raise,
Drum roll please, $142.38.
Wow.
This is an incredible amount of money raised for this wonderful endangered species.
The money will be donated to the African Penguin Working Group, a conservation rehabilitates and researches penguins, increases public awareness, and works with governments all over to help save the penguins. Thank you again for your participation, and every time you see a penguin, make sure to think about how you have improved its life.
Wow, girls, thank you so much for giving us that update. And I love that you really shared with us what that money will go toward, right? Yay, we saved $140, right, to contribute. But I like that you shared with us exactly what our money will do to help with the penguin effort. So great job. Thank you for all of your organizing and planning and helping make a difference. Way to go. All right, staff and students, I also would like to share this beautiful Reflections plaque. Unfortunately, we did not share it at our PBIS assembly, but I do want to say congratulations to Eddie Marashko. This will be delivered to his classroom today in honor of his effort with the Reflections project. Way to go, Eddie. I also have several celebrations. Congratulations to room 205 who earned balloon volleyball for their lunch celebration, and it's because of the integrity that they displayed during their lunch. Their lunch supervisor was very impressed. Congratulations to room 209 who also played balloon volleyball and silent ball. Congratulations to room 212 who also earned a lunch celebration and celebrated with some electronics time on school devices. And finally, a congratulations to 114 who also enjoyed a game of silent ball together. We have golden ticket classroom winners. Congratulations to Mrs. Gruzard's room, who celebrated with the pajama day for 55 golden tickets. And another shout out and congratulations to Mrs. Cangelosi's room, who also earned 55 golden tickets. Boys and girls, thank you for being champions and collaborating together to be respectful, responsible, and safe. It makes our school a great place to be. All right, let's Let's be champions together.
Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum. Enjoy a wonderful wintry Wednesday.
So beautiful.